Well, the Best New Product Award winners are out. The director of the Best New Product Awards, Megan Rybko, joins us now. She's going to take us through some of the innovations, and these were all voted on by Canadian shoppers.
Yes, so over 12,000 Canadians voted across 118 different categories, so food and beverage, household, beauty, kids, and pet, and these were the products that were truly innovative and that Canadians voted best. So we have some of them here today.
Okay, so let's start off with the, is that cream cheese?
Yeah, so this is actually the best new plant-based cheese/spread.
Oh, okay.
It's Violife Creamy Block. So it's really great. Consumers love that. It has like a velvety, creamy texture. So really great for those who follow a plant-based diet or who are dairy-free, or just a great way to level up your breakfast.
Okay, we've got some bubbly.
Yes, so this is the best new sparkling water. It's Maison Perrier Forever line. This is the lychee flavor, if you want to give it a try. Cheers.
Pop some.
Yeah.
Okay, cheers. I feel like I need a fancy straw
It's really good. So it's actually bottled and sourced in France, so it kind of makes you feel fancy when you're drinking it.
That has a nice taste to it.
It has no calories, no sweeteners, so it's a really great alternative to like a carbonated beverage or soda.
Very good.
Yeah.
Okay, these are minis.
Yeah, so these are Frito-Lay Minis canister. So we have Doritos, Sun Chips, and Cheetos now in a bite-sized snack.
Okay, they weren't bite-sized already. So this is how big they actually are. Yeah, I'm bringing the camera down there. Okay, so they're really tiny, so I can eat a lot more of them.
There you go. Yeah, and
they're in the canisters. So to me, those canisters are always like on a road trip.
Yeah, they're super
great
for on the go. And also it's actually super easy to like pour out and share. So just a great snack.
Okay, mascara.
Yeah, so we have the Revlon Color Stay Extensionaire Lengthening Mascara. I'm actually wearing it today.
You look like you've lengthened.
Thank you. It's supposed to give you up to 2 times longer looking lashes. It's really nice because it's actually a lash serum and a mascara in one, up to 24 hours of wear, and it has a tapered brush, so it really helps you define your lashes and gives you that bold
because
look.
For me, the brush in a mascara is more important than the mascara itself.
So important, yeah. No, this has a really great brush.
Okay. There's a credit card on the list.
Yes, so this is the best new rewards credit card. It is Neo World Elite MasterCard. And it's really great because instead of earning points, you actually earn cash. So it's a cashback card. And they really listen to Canadians in terms of what categories they valued most and where they want to earn those that cash back on. So you actually earn 5% on groceries, 4% on reoccurring bills, 3% on gas, 1% on everything else. So it's sort of like, it's like free money to me. I mean, things you're already spending money on, you're earning cash back.
What is Neo then? Is it linked to a bank or is it linked?
Neo is a financial institution.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. All right. And then we've got baby lotion.
Yes. So this is Aveeno Baby Daily Healthy Start Newborn Balm. So it is specifically designed for newborn. It's going to keep their skin moisturized, hydrated, and soft. It only has 6 ingredients in it. It's hyperallergenic, so it's a product that new parents can trust.
Okay, we've got about 30 seconds left.
Okay, great.
What's this?
So this is the best new laundry stain remover. It's Resolve Gold Oxy Action. It's going to help remove those tough stains the first time round, which is really great.
Saves water that way.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Works in cold water as well. And it's going to keep your colors safe, and it's also going to keep your whites whiting.
Okay, we will get the list of all the, because there are thousands of new products here.
Yeah, there are hundreds of new products, and they can all be found at bestnewproductawards2025.com.
Megan, thanks so much. We'll get that link up on our website, chch.com/morninglive.